Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to show FPS in your games. Okay, first of all, let's download this thing. With some Afterburner. You must download this program. Okay, final version. Okay, or you can use this beta. Okay, let's use this beta, latest version. Start. Okay, close this and let's open it. Double click here. Yes. English, yes. Next. Hit accept. Okay, fine. Close this. Okay, now hit OK. Let's hit accept. Next, 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 and then start. Okay, press this button and take this one, hit finished. Okay, and take and hit finish to run the MSI Afterburner. Okay, this is our program, the MSI Afterburner. We have to go here to the settings and just some value for the general properties. Start with Windows. Start minimize it, make it true. Okay, all of this good. Fun. Okay, good for the motoring. Okay, for the first one, GPU temperature. Show in on-screen display. Okay, fine. Second one, make sure it's selection. CPU erasers. Okay, memory usage on screen. And go down here. Okay, search for frame rates. Select frame rates. RAM usage. And CPU power. Okay, let's move right here. Okay, this one. On-screen display, toggle on-screen display when I press this button. I want to choose, can choose any button. Okay, let's one click right here and choose, for example, F5. Okay, now this one hide on-screen display, F6. Show on-screen display, F7. Benchmark, this one is good. Okay, hit apply and hit OK. Now hit save. And let's go here to the second program is the RivaTuner Statistics Server. It runs automatically. You can use it. You can use it right here. Start with Windows, make this one true. Show on screen display. Fine. And now stealth mode code. Okay, on screen display field. Make sure for this. Now adjust the size of this and show my own static. Okay, hit save and let's see if it works or not. Minimize all of them. Close it. Let's see, it's right here. It's minimized automatically. Let's choose a game to test it. Or let's go right here games. Let's change it jump force. Open it. Of the game. Okay, it works fine. The GPU uses right here, the memory, the CPU, and the RAM, and the FPS. Okay. It's to use 10 gigabytes of RAM right now. Now loading, this is my game character. Now loading. 12 gigabytes of RAM. Let's go to this mission. Okay, let's choose this free mission. Let's make it easy for now. Not weapon. Let's choose this strength level. Okay, characters. Look at the FPS is drop it down. This one, Ichigo Kurosaki, Kenshiro, Yoshi, and not this one. Sasuke, Zoro. Let's choose 7. Okay, let's close this menu. Let's close this game here. This block. Okay, let's go. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial.